di ba pag nanonood ka ng horror, imbes na mawala yung takot mo, baka tulog yung mawala sa'yo eh. Hindi ka makakatulog sa gabing yon. But Deo Cuajao with a bounce-back performance today for the Letran Knights. And we have here, it's my first time interviewing this guy, Phil Canadian, Chad Gamad, who came up with big baskets for Letran down the stretch, especially in that fourth frame. Congratulations, Chad.
Thank you po.
So your first time here?
Opo, first time.
Niya. Okay. Sabi niya, nagtatagalog daw siya. Okay, you grew up in Canada?
Opo.
Okay.
Ay, hindi po. Sa Taytay Rizal po.
Sa Taytay? Oh,
And then I went to Canada po, mga 10 years old na po.
10 years old. Okay, by the way, Chad just turned 18 years old. Last October 30. Tama. So, he actually spent the first half of the season as a 17-year-old. How did you do that? And what was it like going up against grown men here in college when you as a 17-year-old?
Yung first half po ng season, parang nag-struggle po ako kasi parang hindi ko pa po get yung intensity sa NC. Pero as the game continue po, parang nasanay na po ako na maglaro dito.
Grabe naman yan. You had 11 points today. You scored 9 of your 11 in that fourth quarter. All three-pointers, big three-pointers. What was going through your head? Because we've seen you inserted in the starting lineup and not play again. And then back in the fourth quarter. Bakit kahit ganun yung playing time mo, kumbaga stay ready ka at saka dagdag ko na, ano yung naglalaro sa isip mo when you hit these shots in the fourth?
Parang wala po akong iniisip kapag nasa court ako kasi parang yung distraction na nasa isip ko parang nawawala kapag naglalaro ako ng basketball. Ayun lang.
Chad, what can you say about your point guards? Obviously, alam naman natin na rookie ka, 18 years old ka pa lang, but what can you say about Ting Manalili and Montesillo na hinahanap ka pa rin kahit yung mga crunch time, yung mga crucial moments, ikaw yung hinahanap nila and hindi mo naman sila pinahiya, but what can you say about them?
Parang mga kuya ko na po yun eh, and they really trust me po kasi parang ayun lang po, parang yung trust namin talaga kahit off night ko, pinapasahan pa rin ako. Yun lang po.
May question ako. So, saan ka masanay? Siyempre, hanggang 10 years old, nagbabasketball ka na dito sa Pilipinas. And then you got familiarized with Canadian basketball. How would you compare the two?
Sa Pilipinas po, parang yung depensa talaga po mas intense. Talagang yung detail namin sa depensa parang mas detailed unlike back in Canada. But it depends because hindi ko pa alam yung parang college level din sa Canada kasi dumaretso po ako dito.
Sino nag-recruit sa'yo? Si Kelvin ba? De La Peña?
Sa Letran po. Si Coach Alan po.
Coach Alan. Hindi, sa Canada.
Ay.
Naging coach ba si Coach Kelvin?
Hindi po.
Okay, hindi. Kasi of course, Coach Kelvin, former MVP here in the NCAA, is in charge of many programs, Filipino-Canadian programs there. But how are you, adjusting here to the life? Sino yung nagiging mentor mo dyan sa Letran?
Lahat po ng teammates ko kasi talagang close po kami. Yung sinabi nga ni Deo po, yung kinukuha yung cellphone namin, doon talaga po kami.
Okay.
Horror movie po before game time. Ayun. Doon talaga po kami parang naging close.
Talaga?
Oo.
Hindi kayo na nakakatakot yun, ha?
Hindi naman po.
Mas nakakapuyat. Okay. So, right now, you are part of this Deep Letran team. Any pressure for you to perform? I bet it's hard for an 18-year-old to take on this kind of pressure because this is a bigger stage in basketball here in the Philippines. So, ikaw ba, medyo nape-pressure ka ba to perform, especially Coach Allen inserts you in the starting lineup?
Opo, ang dami talagang pressure sa akin pero po yung trust ko talaga kay Coach parang nawawala yung pressure kapag tinatawag ako na maglaro.
Okay. Chad, because you're here in the broadcast booth, your chance to greet everybody watching you right now.
First of all po, thank you Lord na nanalo kami po at Shoutout po sa tatay ko, number 1 fan sa Canada. Pati yung family ko po, nanay ko, lola, pati sister ko po. At shoutout po sa Kabagan Isabela po. Doon po ako lumaki. At shoutout Boss JP, yun dyan. Yun lang po.
Saan ka base sa Canada? Which
Sa
area?
Vancouver po.
Vancouver. Okay. So that's Chad Gamad, 11 points today, 9 in the fourth quarter, and providing some big baskets down the stretch to help Netran secure their 7th win of the season. Now, we'll talk to Jonathan Manalili, kasama ni Chantal. Go ahead.